management system in which we are just studying the old studying need to learn, and we are just discussing each and everything here. So in last video we just saw that how to create a company or a school, and in last video we just create a enquiry form. Like if a particular student came in our school for inquiry purpose, that how to enter the inquiry form we'll discuss in this lecture only. So first we need to click on master. We enter their mobile number, their qualification. Suppose I'm entering like this, and he is a businessman, and date of photo of father detail, photo of mother, you can enter here. Okay, the format on in this you can directly take printout of this form, and you can see that each and every detail you just mentioned here in the form is available in this page also. So printout, you can take printout also. Now I'm just closing the form and just available here.